Hi friends, today I am with a new smartwatch by AQFIT and the model is W9 Quad. So we will talk about this, we will do the unboxing and see all the features in the video. So starting with the box here you can see it looks pretty much similar what the other smartwatch boxes we have seen. If you talk about the specs, it comes with the HD IPS color display 1.69 inch with 240 into 280 pixel resolution, IP67 water rating and dust proof also. It comes with the BT calling, Bluetooth calling, voice assistant, pedometer, smart notification, heart rate monitor, multi-sports mode and sleep monitor with blood oxygen monitor too. If you talk about the price what is written is 6,999. This is not the final price. We will definitely talk about this later on. The smartwatch is compatible with Android and also iOS, but you need to install the Superband app. The name of the app is Superband. You get some paperwork including the warranty guide and also the Bluetooth pairing feature, which already I have told you. Now if you see in the box, this is the smartwatch. It looks pretty much premium while holding. It is a little bit heavy. It doesn't look very cheap knockoff like that. It also comes with the charger with the charging case, and there is also a user guide. I will definitely recommend you to go through the user guide and check it out properly. It also has the warranty card. So this is what it comes in the box. To start the smartwatch, you just have to put into the charging case here. As you can see, once I put it, it will show you the booting and the charging will be done. It takes almost like more than 1 hour or 1.5 hours to charge completely. According to the company, it will last up to 7 to 10 days, but it completely depends on your usage also. So definitely it can last up to 1 week, what I can feel after the use of some days. If you talk about the device, it comes with the pedometer. It has a health tracking which includes SpO2 plus heart rate monitor. It can also sleep track. So sleep track can be done using this smartwatch. So this is a good feature what you are getting. You can take out the bands. I will show you how you can swap the bands from the watch. One physical button, there is a mic for doing the Bluetooth calling, and there is also one speaker which is on the other side, but it looks pretty much premium. It is made of zinc alloy, and while wearing or while holding you will definitely have a premium feel also. Here you can see the speaker is on the other side. It comes with the IP67 rating, which means it is waterproof and also it is dust proof at the same time. You can do the text message calls, you can check out the calendar settings, music and camera controls can be also done. I will show you each and everything in detail. If you talk about the band, it comes with the very rubber kind of texture, and I will also show you how to wear it. This is the way you can wear the watch so it doesn't fall off from your hand. And the material of the build quality of band is pretty much light. It doesn't feel much heavier on hand, but you can definitely replace this as it comes with the swappable bands, and the bands can be easily found on the online store and you can also find from the offline store. The best part is that you can replace them manually. You can do that of your own, which is a good thing. And also if you talk about the color, this what I got the color is the black color. There will be other colors which is the gold one, there is one silver color and there is a blue color. Definitely there are different colors and the bands also having the same color. If you talk about the app, this is the Superband, the name of the app. You can install for iOS and Android also. It is available on the Play Store and the App Store. So first you have to pair it. The binding is very easy. And after that you can check the body fat ratio, BMI, even the sleep tracking, how much you have slept. Even you can check your heart rating also for the SpO2 and the heart rate monitor. Here is also the sleep value. Even if you have the motion and go to bed early, get up early, these are the notification what you will get. So there are a few pretty good things present. Even you can add something if you want to do manually, if you have anything, when to eat, when to have a notification for the same. If you talk about the other notifications, you can have the brightness control. It is with the activity, and you can have the start time and the end time. You can go to DND, which is do not disturb. You can switch that on. You have the alarms also, and also sedentary reminder. If you are setting for a longer time, it will remind you. Even you can enable the Bluetooth calling, which is very easy. You have to open the dual mode. If you talk about the find can find your smartwatch, and also vice versa can also find your smartphone using the watch. Now there is also camera shutter. I will definitely talk about that later. If you talk about the SMS or the notification, here you have to give the permission first for SMS, for calls, for WhatsApp, for Instagram, for Facebook. All the notification which you want, you can switch them on. And there is also reset the device. You can remove the device, you can pair it with other, and you can also change the vibration settings. If you check, you can also go and check the OTA upgrade. If there is any software update, you can definitely go and do that. There is also walk, run and bike. These are the some of the sports training which you can record it. And here is your ID which you can go and check it out, few of the details of the profile. So even you can check the steps on the home screen. There are few more things, but this is mainly what you get in the app setting. Now let's talk about the watch. And if you go to the watch, in the band there is AQFIT branding already given. AQFIT is a small startup from India. If you want to change the watch faces, you have to do the tapping for a longer time. Here you can see I'm just tapping for a longer time and the watch faces will swap, but you don't get additional watch faces other than this. You can't customize the watch faces. So these are the few things, but still with the price what you are getting, this is completely acceptable. So these are the few watch faces what you get with the AQFIT, and you can't get them. Maybe later on they can give you a software update and you can do the changes. If you swipe from the left, you can see the time, date feature, SOS feature, even the temperature, and also few more things, even the shortcuts given. There is a dialer, you can go and dial also, and there is also music control. You can go to the menu also, main menu, in which you can have all the apps, you can check all the features, and you can change the music also. What I told you, even you have the phone book. Currently I haven't switched on the phone book, there is no message, so the SMS is showing null. If you swipe from the top, here you can see the dual mode. This will be helpful while doing the Bluetooth calling. There is also settings, in that you can go and change the language into English. Even Hindi is also present. For menu style, here you can see there can be 9 menus, and if you want to change them, I will show you. Go to the settings. Now you can go to the about, and also if you go to the back, sorry I came here, go to the style. Even you can put that in a grid style also, so you can change the style. I like the style one, it is much better. If you go to few more things, you can have the QR code to scan for the app. You can change the brightness here, you can do the plus and minus. Here you can see the brightness can be changed, and after that there is last setting where you can do the voice assistant. I will show you that later on. And these are the modes what you're getting. If you go to the settings, it is about, you can change the language which I have already shown. You can set and change the date also, you can change the time also. You want side slip or not? Currently I'm doing the side slip, so you can see. And there is TTS setting, you can switch it on. The backlight time, this can be changed from 5 seconds to 3 minutes, so that you can change maximum 3 minutes, so the light of the device can be changed. Time system can be changed to 24 hours or 12 hours, whichever you like. If you swipe from the right, you have the step count. There is one physical button, it can be used for wake up, it can be also used to sleep. If you hold the wake up button or physical button for a longer time, it will go to the power off. If you hold it for a longer time, it will power on your smartwatch. So this is a normal sleek smartwatch which comes with the loaded feature. If you talk about the main screen, here we are in the main screen. You can see there is a menu for music. There is also heart rate monitor where you can record your BPM and also SpO2 reading. Even your blood pressure can be recorded here. Just hold in for some time and you can see all the results here. So results are very much easier. You can see the BPM, also the SpO2 reading and the blood pressure monitor also. You can also see the sleep tracking, how much I have slept. Even the camera shutter button is this one. You can go and do the dialer. This is for the dialer. This is for the menu style which you can change. If you are playing tennis, you can go that and switch it on. You can also have the weather, you can check that. There is a timer, stopwatch also is there, sedentary reminder is there. If you are running, you can check that. There is also reset, you can directly reset from here. There is phone book, and there is also settings where you can go and directly check out settings. For app downloading, there is a QR code, you can check all the SMS from here. There is one more thing which is for gaming, you get a one game in this. You can also find your smartphone here. You can see it will start ringing. I will show you the demo later on. So these are the features what you are getting in the menu. Now I will show you how to use the voice assistant, also find my phone and the camera app. So currently I will show you the voice assistant. Once I click it here, you can see the voice assistant starts working on your smartphone also using your smartwatch. Now if you want to find your phone or also can switch on the camera, here you can see the camera and I can just press and do this snap it. So you can do that very easily, take pictures using your smartwatch. Now lastly there is one more thing, find my phone. Here is the icon for that, and once you press it, it will show you the phone that your phone is ringing and you can check out the notification properly that find my phone is there. So this is a very easy feature what you are getting with this smartwatch. Now coming to the price point of the device, the smartwatch is available for 2,999 and it comes with the BT calling, 7 to 10 days of battery life. It is IP67 rating with HD display which is 1.69 inch and it has a 240 into 280 pixels. And overall the device comes with loaded feature in this price point and it will be available through online store only or maybe offline. So this is all about the AQFIT W9 quad. What are your thoughts? Definitely let us know. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.